Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I have such a fun unboxing. I did buy the famous Versace Brat Doll heels, and these are so cute. So expensive, they do retail for $1,400. I did get them on sale for $700, so that was a great price. These are honestly the cutest shoes ever. They are platform, 6 inches, and just so adorably fun and cute. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. For the packaging, it comes in this beautiful, beautiful box, and they did wrap it so cute with a bow in the corner. Now, I did try to replicate the bow, but I did open it, of course, because I couldn't resist. But the packaging is so cute. I love it. Of course, we get the receipt and the authenticity card, and of course when I bought it I got the ginormous shopping bag, which of course we all love for decoration. For the cute little Versace envelope, it does come with a cute little care booklet, it does come with the authenticity card, and then of course the tag with the little barcode on it. Inside the box it does come with the Versace dust bag for the shoes, however I hate that it only comes with one. I always think they should always come with two, one for each shoe. Unwrapping it, now we can see the actual shoe, and it is so cute. Now originally when you do get them, they will be stuffed and a little bit more protected. Of course, I did already open this, but I am so excited to really open these and get into it. Now looking at the actual shoes, you can see these are actually so cute. I love these so much. They are in the lilac color. Yes, of course, it does come with the crystals, and these are so, so beautiful, especially how they glisten and how they shine. Yes, they are real crystals. For the heels, you can also see that it does come with the Medusa charm on one of the sides of it. And the Medusa is so cute. I love this so much. I definitely want to get another Medusa charm to put on the other side because I love this dangling by your ankle on both sides instead of just one. But this is so precious. I love it so much. So, so glad it does come with that. So another glamorous look at these. These are so beautiful. Now, these Versace heels, they are a double platform and they are 6 inches. And they are so high up. I am so tall in this. Now, on the inside on the sole, it does say Versace, which is so, so beautiful. However, we have to take this in mind. The fact that this is made out of satin means when this material rubs together, you will get these black scuffs on it. Unfortunately, I've worn these for like a total of like 2 hours so far. And I do have black scuffs on them already. Now, before I bought them, the store did warn me about them. It is just like a common thing that does come with this pair of shoes. If you do know how to clean it, if you know how to remove that, definitely comment it down below. I was thinking maybe if you take it to like a dry cleaner and they do like a steam process, it might be able to work, but I'm not sure if the steaming might actually ruin the satin material, so I'm not entirely too sure on how you would clean these. For the back of the heels, they will look like this. Very, very cute. So on the bottom of the shoe, you can see that there is a beautiful Medusa detailing on it, and it is so cute. Under the shoe, it is just all nice and black. It is satin on the actual heel. Underneath where you put your foot, it will be a nice black sole with the Medusa charm. Now underneath for the bottoms, do excuse how dirty they are, but in all honesty, I love the fact that these are black on the bottom because I hate when heels get that like tan color and you can see like the bottom fading off. This way, it won't fade off, it will always be black, but you can't see all the cute little pebbles that I have been stepping on. So when I was originally at the store buying these heels, I did pair it with this beautiful pair of Versace lilac socks, and these are so cute. This entire look is so like Daphne from Scooby-Doo, and I love it so much because I have always loved Daphne so much, and now I am totally her vibe. And yes, I do have the Lilac La Medusa bag as well. I do have a video on it. It will be linked right above and in the description below, along with my super cute purple Versace t-shirt. I planned my entire outfit to come pick up these shoes, so everything we see here will be lilac and purple, and it is just such a cute vibe. I did also go to Louis Vuitton, and I did try on their backpack because I really do want a backpack, but I don't know if I want Prada, Versace, or Louis Vuitton. The Louis Vuitton one, I really did love it when I did try it on. I thought it was so cute. Then I did also try on the new Keepall 25s. However, of course, I would get it in the dark monogram to match the 55 one that I do currently have. And this size bag, the 25s, it is a good size. I am really liking it, and I think it's cute. And for another really fun moment, I did get a lot of purple stuff from the Spirit Halloween store. I did get a 36-inch long purple wig from Party City, and you know that I am obsessed with the red one that I did get. The red one is honestly one of my favorite wigs I will ever have. I did get 5 of them. It is just so great. But for the purple one, I thought it would be so cute to match these heels. I did also get the purple socks and the purple gloves too. I do have the Daphne costume, so I'm totally going to be doing a photo shoot of all of this, and it's going to be the cutest thing in the world. And that is it for the beautiful lilac double platform Versace heels. These are so perfect and so cute. Of course, we will be talking a little bit more about them, but I'm honestly so glad I have these. Definitely tell me in the comments what you think of them. So now for this heel, I do have to be honest with you guys. As pretty as it is, I do have one specific issue with it. So when it comes to the closed toe region, I really do wish it was more open because I do get very, very numb when I do wear them for over an hour. Like I cannot feel my toes, feels like the blood is gone. And then right here, it does kind of like dig into your skin. So right here, it does hurt, like the placement of it. So this does kind of take a little bit of work and customization. I do want to get a gel insert and put it right here, and then maybe just put it along here as well. Now I'm also trying to stretch them out a little bit by pushing them down and making the fabric kind of just like pop out a little bit. I don't know if heels do that, if that's even a thing, but hopefully so, because they do make this in an open toe version. Personally, I'm thinking maybe an open toe version might have been better for me because maybe my foot is just a little bit too wide for this. However, you know, I did already get this, and this was $700, so I am determined to make this work, and I refuse to not let this work. I will eventually be able to run in these, believe that, because again, I will make it work. However, they do make an open toe version of this, and if you remember, I did do an entire Barbie video where I did a whole Barbie collection. It was so cute, and I did get my very first pair of Barbie heels. And the crystal versions of these Versace ones is literally like an upgraded version of the Barbie ones. So how cute would that have been? However, they are $1,400, originally $3,000, but they're on sale for $1,500. So it is a good price for them. But I just didn't really want to commit to a giant disco ball on my foot every day. So I did pass on it, also because I know crystals will fall off. And the amount of crystals that fall off on my Barbie shoes is a dramatic amount. So I can only imagine what the Versace ones would look like after like a period of time. Then I would constantly have to go back and forth and put them re-on the crystals. So either pair you get, you will have some pros and cons to it. But these are so cute. Everybody loves them. Like when I walk out in these, like it's crazy the amount of attention that they get and how many compliments. The crystals are absolutely beautiful. The bottoms, of course, they do get a little bit dirty because anytime you wear shoes, they will always get a little dirty on the bottom. This one, you can totally see all of the pebbles you step on, like you see a little indents in it. But these are so cute nonetheless. I really do love them, and I do think they are worth it because for me, I just kept thinking about them and I could not get them off my mind. And I am happy I got them. Like, I don't regret getting them, but I am concerned that it might not necessarily work for me and my lifestyle. So just keep in mind, will this actually work for you? Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Now, recently I have discovered that I do finally have 1,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys honestly so much. It truly does mean the world to me. Starting out, I didn't think I would make it over 12, and I totally did. So it's like a really, really cool moment, something that I thought would happen, but wasn't exactly sure or expecting it to, but I did hope it would, and it totally did. So that's really, really fun and exciting. So again, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and have a great day. Au revoir.